Hey guys, another quick tutorial from One Life today, and I'm going to show you guys how to change the brake light bulb on the Mark 6 Fiesta twin tailpipe, but yours doesn't have to be twin tailpipe. First thing I need to do is open the boot, and I have ready for you the one tool you're going to need, so either a screwdriver or a drill like I've used with my bit thing in it, and it's a Torx bit, a TX25. See that there? You get the drift. TX25 bit, and once you've opened the boot, it will reveal a nut here at the bottom. This is at the back of the light, so you can get a bit of perspective, and a nut here. First thing you got to do is undo both nuts. Or bolts, should I say. Oh, not fine then. Screw in there. You might also want to put the parcel shelf down out of the way, so you can get to it. Two bolts loose. So now, just sort of grab it from behind at the top. It's on two little grommets, top and bottom, so just sort of pop them off. Might need to use two hands and try and do it with one for the camera. There's the cameraman when you need him. See there, there's one of them, and the other one's already come out. There you go. So pop them two, and it will reveal 3 sets of wires for your different bulbs. So say for example you want to change the brake light bulb, which is the top one. You simply need to twist and pull, revealing the bulb. These bulbs are fine, so I'm not going to change them, and then it's just a case of twisting and pulling the bulb out. And to replace, you put your new bulb back in the holder, send it back in the hole, twist clockwise to lock in, make sure the rubber around it's right so you don't get water in it. And that is how to change the bulb. Same process for that one and that one. So you've got to take the whole light unit off, so you're replacing it. Just undo all 4 of them, which will leave this free, and stick your new unit in. The bulbs will stay in the holders when you take them out. And that's about it really. And make sure it's all clean in here because it's full of shit here. And clean that out today. So to put back, you line up your rubber grommet. So you've got one there with that hole, and that one at the top with that hole. Like so. And the bottom one. And pop back in. Get your 2 Torx 25 bolts. One in the top. One in the bottom. Set the drill to tighten clockwise. And that's it. That is how to change brake light, reverse light, fog light, any of the rear lights on the Ford Fiesta Mark 6. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more info on this car or any others, leave a comment or direct message me. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel and you're into this sort of thing. Do loads of car stuff. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.
Hello, good feeling.